This is a Eggland's Best crab and vegetable frittata with mini carrot salad and red wine vinaigrette. Cooking for a lot of athletes and entertainers, they want foods that not only taste great, but are great for them as well. This is why I'm using Eggland's Best. They are high in omega-3s, vitamin D, vitamin E, and low in saturated fat as well. The great thing about frittatas is it is a blank canvas. So whatever it is that you have in the kitchen that you're really wondering what to do with, put it inside of the frittata. Set your pan over high heat, add oil to your pan, then your shallots and garlic. Saute them for about 1 to 2 minutes until they're translucent. Next, you add your smoked sun-dried tomatoes, bell peppers, rainbow carrots, asparagus, and you definitely gotta hit it with a little bit of that Creole seasoning. As that is sauteing, it's time to work on your egg mixture. Eggs are actually the star of the show when you make a frittata. These Eggland's Best organic eggs are 100% USDA organic certified, which is very important to my clients. Add a little cream to the bowl, a little bit more of your Creole seasoning, and then you finish it off with some fresh Asiago cheese. Once all the vegetables are sauteed, add your crab and avocado. You're just trying to warm these ingredients up right before you add in your egg mixture. Turn your heat down to medium, let it cook just a little bit, and then you take your spatula and run it around the outside of the pan. Now the reason that you're doing this is because you want to create layers. So when you put your pan inside of the oven, your frittata will start to souffle. While the frittata bakes, it's time to work on the salad. Take baby arugula, shaved rainbow carrots, red bell pepper, and those ever so important bacon bits. The red wine vinaigrette starts with brown butter. Watch it here because you want your butter to brown and not burn. Then you add your sliced shallots, Dijon mustard, a little salt and pepper, brown sugar, and last but not least, red wine vinegar. Dress your salad with a little bit of red wine vinaigrette. Toss them all together. Now it's time to plate it up. Place that salad carefully on top of your frittata and add just a tad bit more dressing to finish it off. I love making this dish. It's not strictly for breakfast, it's a brunch item, it's a lunch item, and if you really want to get jiggy with it, it could be a dinner item as well.